Could humans survive the Triassic? By Damien, surviving the Triassic period would be a daunting task for humans. The world was still recovering from the devastating Permian-Triassic extinction, which wiped out nearly 90% of all life on Earth. As ecosystems slowly began to re-establish, the environment remained harsh and unforgiving. Early in the Triassic, much of the land was barren and arid, with vast deserts dominating the supercontinent Pangaea. Volcanic activity was frequent, contributing to extreme climates where temperatures soared during the day and plummeted at night. Water sources were scarce and often unreliable, making it incredibly difficult for humans to find drinkable water or sustain crops for agriculture. The scattered vegetation, consisting primarily of conifers, cycads, and ferns, would provide limited resources for building shelter or crafting tools, forcing humans to rely heavily on what little the land could offer. The creatures that emerged during the Triassic posed one of the greatest threats to human survival. On land, early reptiles and the ancestors of dinosaurs were beginning to dominate the landscape. One of the most fearsome predators was Postosuchus, a crocodile-like archosaur that measured up to 16 feet long. This massive creature was a top predator, capable of taking down large prey with its powerful jaws, and humans would have little defense against it. Additionally, Coelophysis, a small, fast, and agile theropod, hunted in packs, making it incredibly dangerous for humans to roam freely. Even smaller predators like Coelophysis would be a constant threat, their speed and hunting tactics giving them an advantage in this predator-rich environment. The seas were equally perilous. Nothosaurus, a semi-aquatic reptile with sharp teeth and powerful flippers, dominated the coastal waters. This predator was highly adapted for hunting in the shallow seas and rivers of the Triassic, meaning humans would find fishing or foraging near water sources extremely dangerous. With few options for food and the constant threat of aquatic predators, surviving along the coasts would be as challenging as it was inland. Despite the gradual recovery of life, the Triassic atmosphere was still not hospitable for humans. Oxygen levels were significantly lower than they are today, meaning humans would struggle with physical endurance and their ability to perform daily tasks would be compromised. The unstable climate, with its extremes in temperature and frequent volcanic eruptions, would further complicate survival efforts, as humans would have to contend with natural disasters while trying to find basic necessities like food, water, and shelter. While the Triassic marked the rise of the dinosaurs and the re-establishment of ecosystems after the Permian mass extinction, the world remained volatile, with predators lurking both on land and in the seas, an unstable climate, and limited resources. For humans, the Triassic would be a hostile environment, and surviving in such a world would require not only ingenuity but constant vigilance in the face of unrelenting danger.